Hello dear customer, this is Christine from QLQ company. Today I would like to share you our this machine. There have two situations where customized machine are required. For the metal zipper and plastic zipper, the machine needs to customize. Metal zipper and plastic zipper needs to get 2 to 3 space before using this machine because the teeth are very hard. The metal zipper teeth and plastic zipper teeth, the teeth is harder than the nylon zipper tip. If there is no space between teeth and teeth, the slider cannot be mounted. If without gapping, the slider feed cutter is easy to broken and there will left half of teeth on the tape. You can provide your metal zipper sample and plastic zipper sample to us. We can customize the machine for you according to your sample. And the second situation, you can customize the marking function. For example, to making the luggage zipper, marking the corner of luggage zipper to avoid insufficient zippers to you. This machine can be customized to add the function of marking with a pen, which can be washed away with water. So you don't worry, you can mark it first and then mount the slider. And you can mark it first and then proceed with the slider mounting and zipper cutting. This marking function and slider mounting functions can program separately by the machine. So these two processes, the marking process and the mounting process is separately. So if you want to know more detail about this machine, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.